The person who's a father or a mother, they should teach their children the salah. So Allah Jalla said, وَأْمُرْ أَهْلَكَ بِالصَّلَاةِ وَاصْطَبِرْ عَلَيْهَا. Command your family to do the prayer and be patient. مُرُوا أَوْلَادَكُمْ بِالصَّلَاةِ. Prophet said, command your children to do the prayer when they are 7. And we talked about this, I think, in one of the hadith as well. And beat them, that means discipline them when they are 10. And separate between them in the bed. And we know that the person, if he is raised onto something, he will continue to be living onto that thing until he gets old. Man shabba ala shay, shaba alayh. Man shabba means he's been raised as a youth on something. Shaba alayh, he will get old doing the same thing. وَيَنْشَأُ الْفَتَى الْفِتْيَانُ مِنَّا كَمَا عَوَّدَهُ أَبُوهُ. As the poetry says, that the child will be raised according to what his parents, his environment, his parents had taught him to do. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he says, يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا اتَّقُوا اللَّهَ وَلَا تَمُوتُنَّ إِلَّا وَأَنْتُمْ مُسْلِمُونَ. O you who believe, fear Allah as you be feared, and die not except in a state of Islam. Now, how can I die as a Muslim? Well, you have to live as a Muslim. To die as a Muslim, you have to live as a Muslim. This is a universal law. He who's lived on something, then he will die on that thing. So the universal law, it says, Man mata ala shay'in bu'ith alayh. And if you die on something, you will be resurrected on the thing that you've been doing. Imam Ibn Kathir, regarding this verse, which is, O you who believe, fear Allah as you should be feared, and die not except in a state of Islam, he said, observe Islam in the time of your health and in order to die upon it. So in your time of prosperity, observe Islam in order to die upon it. For verily, Allah, the Kareem, the Generous, had made His universal law, which is, he who lives on something, he will die upon it. And he who dies upon something, he will be resurrected according to it. وَالْعِيَاذُ بِاللَّهِ. You die as a fornicator, you will be resurrected as a fornicator.